going to start with the new Excel sheets, and you're going to start categorizing and organizing all of your monthly bills. So here I have, for example, car, rent, utilities, and I also categorize all of my credit cards together. So next, what you're going to do is figure out when your pay dates are. So I have it set so that it is bi-weekly, or if you get it every week, you can also set those dates ready so you know when you're going to get paid. So if you're salaried, obviously your income is set to a certain amount every month. So for example, here I'm just going to put down 100. So now that you have your set income for your paychecks, you will start calculating your income after tax. So what you're going to do is just select your income minus your income times your tax bracket. So I'm going to put 25%, and it should look like that. And since your salary is set, you're going to have a net income of $75 a month, and that's set. Personally, for me, I usually choose the last paycheck of the month to pay my next month's rent and bills. So for example, here in August, the last paycheck in August is on the 27th. So on that paycheck, I am going to use it to pay all of my monthly bills. So I go over to my after bills. I'm going to put equal your net income minus all of your bills. So this is what you have in your bank after you pay all your bills. So I'm going to do that for every last paycheck of each month. So I just edit everything so that it's easier for you guys to see. So now you might want to ask, what about the paychecks before the last paycheck of the month? Usually I will use that as an opportunity to add into my savings. So because I don't have any bills for the paychecks before the last month. Okay, so since you have $75 and you don't have bills to pay and you want to use some to, use your credit card and spend some on things that you want, you can do this. I'm going to have to make a second video because time is running out, so I will post it soon.